Shoot. David? Ah! David! David! No! David! Help! Please help me. It's not my fault.
Go turn off.
Oh! I got it. I got it. You okay?
All right, we've just sprung a little leak.
Yes. But how?
It can just be from getting worn out, being dragged on the ground. Could be a mower hit it. Maybe a little creature nibble a little hole.
Okay.
Who knows?
Is there an easy way to fix it?
Easy, cheap, fast.
Okay.
I got everything we need.
Yes. Let's go.
Here's what you're gonna need. A pair of scissors or a knife, a screwdriver, and a repair kit. I got this one from Home Depot for $5 or $6. I choose the plastic over metal because it's a little less durable, but it's easier on anything around the house. You don't want to damage any of your tiles or outdoor landscaping. First, we're going to cut out the damaged portion of the hose. Then you're going to put in your barbed coupling. It's always easier to work with rubber when it's warmed up, but if you don't have that benefit, you can put some soap in there to lubricate it up. You put in your barbed coupling to one side, take your other end, push them together. Now we just got to put on our clamps. Now that those are tightened, we'll go turn on the hose, see if there are still any leaks.
It worked!
Oh, it's working.
You did a great job.
It's holding up too. Hopefully this helps you around the house and gets you ready for spring.
And we'll see you next time.